NLN Nursing NEX Science Practice Test Free with Answers. Welcome to the quiz. Question 1. Does the primary function of red blood cells or erythrocytes involve fighting infection through antibody production, or do they specialize in transporting oxygen bound to a protein called hemoglobin? Is it A, fighting infection, or B, transporting oxygen, C, initiating blood clots, or D, producing hormones? The answer is B. Erythrocytes contain hemoglobin that binds oxygen in lungs and releases it in tissues. They also carry some CO2. Antibody production is by plasma B cells, clotting by platelets, hormones by endocrine glands. Next question. Does the hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormone, released by the pituitary gland, primarily act on the kidneys to increase water reabsorption and concentrate urine, or does it cause the kidneys to excrete more water? Is it A, increase water reabsorption, or B, increase water excretion, C, promote sodium retention, or D, stimulate red blood cell production? The answer is A. ADH, vasopressin, increases water permeability in collecting ducts via aquaporins, reabsorbing more water, concentrating urine, and conserving volume when dehydrated. Opposite of excretion. Aldosterone retains sodium. EPO stimulates RBCs. Next question. Considering the process of urine formation in the nephron, which specific structure is responsible for the initial filtration of blood, where water, ions, and small molecules are forced out of the glomerulus and into Bowman's capsule? Is it a loop of Henle? Or B, distal convoluted tubule? C, collecting duct? Or D, glomerulus? The answer is D. The glomerulus is a capillary tuft where high pressure forces water, ions, glucose, urea, etc., out of blood into Bowman's capsule, forming glomerular filtrate, the first step of urine formation. Loop of Henle concentrates urine. Distal tubule and collecting duct adjust composition via reabsorption/secretion. Remember, we can take your NLN NEX exam for you, remotely and undetected, and with 85% score guaranteed. No fails, no upfront fees, no deposit, pay only after results. Message us via number in bio to schedule your session. Next question. When considering the pathway of a blood cell as it returns from the lungs to the heart and then out to the body, which chamber of the heart does it enter immediately after leaving the pulmonary veins? Is it A, right atrium, or B, left atrium, C, right ventricle, or D, left ventricle? The answer is B. Oxygenated blood returns from the lungs through the pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium first. From there it flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, then is pumped out through the aorta to the body. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body via the vena cava. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body, but receives it from the left atrium, not directly from the pulmonary veins. Next question. Among the 4 basic tissue types in the human body, epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous, which type is characterized by its ability to contract and generate force, enabling movement? Is it A, epithelial tissue, or B, connective tissue, C, muscle tissue, or D, nervous tissue? The answer is C. Muscle tissue, skeletal, cardiac, smooth, contracts to produce movement, maintain posture, pump blood. Epithelial covers/lines. Connective supports/binds. Nervous transmits signals. Next question. Does the function of the hormone insulin, produced by the pancreas, primarily involve increasing blood glucose levels by breaking down glycogen, or does it facilitate the uptake of glucose from the blood into cells? Is it A, breaking down glycogen, or B, facilitating glucose uptake, C, producing glucagon, or D, digesting starches? The answer is B. Insulin lowers blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake into cells, especially muscle and fat, via GLUT transporters and stimulating glycogen synthesis and storage. Breaking down glycogen, glycogenolysis, raises blood glucose and is done by glucagon. Glucagon is produced by pancreas, but opposite effect. Digesting starches is amylase enzyme function, not hormonal. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.